Hello everyone. Fiza is in holiday mode nowadays. So she has prepared a recipe that you can use for your holiday dinner party. It is called chicken breast stuffed with mozzarella. It looks really nice. Fiza, please go ahead and show us how to make it.
Hi. First of all, I will tell you the ingredients. For this, I need one chicken breast, mozzarella cheese slices, tomatoes, red bell pepper, paprika, salt, garlic powder, lemon juice, and black pepper. Now I will make the dressing. It's almost 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of paprika, salt to taste, and quarter teaspoon garlic powder. Now I will mix the dressing. After this, I put some cuts in the meat like this. Apply the dressing on the meat. Then put a tomato slice in it and a slice of mozzarella cheese like this. Stuff it in. Then in the next, I will put a bell pepper and the cheese. The next one, I will put the tomato and the cheese like this. Then bell pepper, it's ready. You have to stuff it like this. After this, I will grease my pan, the baking pan. Then I will place it carefully in it. If you want, you can apply a little dressing on the top. Now I will spray some oil on the top and put it in the oven for baking. Now I will put it in the oven. The oven is already preheated and the temperature will be 380. Chicken is ready. Almost after 30 minutes, I'm taking it out.
Wow, this looked really great. Thank you Fiza once again.